Good afternoon. My name is Shala Elidrus. I am one of the organizers of today's event. I have here with me one of the performers. Her name is Pooja Tiwari. Pooja, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Tell us about yourself.
I am Pooja. I am staying in the USA from last 17 years, and I started my own performing arts that's called Dancing Divas. I'm a trained Indian classical and Bollywood dancer, and I'm running this performing arts from last 10 years or so. And I started my dancing journey when I was a 6-year-old kid. So I had very big, huge training behind me. Now you can say that dance is my passion, and instead of blood, dance is running on my veins.
Great, thank you. What are you looking forward to today's event?
This is a wonderful opportunity, and I'm really pleasure, and actually God has given me this wonderful opportunity to perform on the lyricist M. Turaj and his beautiful songs he has written. I personally like Chaudhry Shabko, and I am performing in front of him. It's a little bit nervous, but definitely I love it. And the Ghumar, definitely it is.
So Ghumar and Chaudhry Chap is your favorite? Are your favorite songs?
Those are my favorite dancing numbers actually, and he has written so many beautiful songs. So I'm performing tonight 4 songs of his. So yeah, that's good.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you perform. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm here with Sunaina. And Sunaina, welcome to our event, and tell us about yourself.
I am a poet, producer, lyricist. Done few films as a writer, and I worked as a lyricist with Sonu Nigam ji, Sunidhi Chauhan ji, and Shankar Mahadevan, Ali Sethi, all of these brilliant singers. And I'm a lover of arts, and that's why I'm here today to know from, it's very rare that you get to meet people whose work you appreciate. So beyond what you see visually, there are stories behind songs, behind creations, right? So this is a great opportunity for me as well to be here to understand how Turaj works, and more about him and his journey as an artist. And being an artist, it resonates with me. So that's why I'm here.
थैंक यू. और आपने इस इवेंट के बारे में कहाँ सुना और कैसे आपको पता चला?
So Suraj Saab, actually I was on a tour. I was myself touring US. We were touring 8 to 10 cities. So Suraj Saab, I know him for a while. It's a small circle of people who are connoisseurs of art. So he reached out to me and he said, if you would, because he wanted someone who was a lyricist and a poet. So somewhere I fit that bill. Good for me, and he reached out to me, and I agreed to be part of the program because of him, and also because of Turaj Saab.
Great. And do you have any favorite songs of Mr. Turaj?
So hard to tell. Okay. कभी-कभी आप किस मूड पे हैं उसके ऊपर होता है. मेरा फेवरेट probably तेरा जिक्र है या इत्र है, जब जब करता हूँ महकता हूँ, या आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई, वो है बिनते दिल. For different reasons, different songs, I really like that. And everything from Hira Mandi because of its lyrical content and the value of the layers of the lyrics. So basically एक तो आप जो सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, उसके अंदर उन्होंने जो layers डाली हैं वो समझने की कोशिश, मुझे that journey itself is beautiful. So I like what he's done for Hira Mandi, Padmavat as well. Very interestingly intelligent work. Yeah.
Do you have a special question that you will be asking Mr. Turaj? Can you give us a scoop?
I think I should ask you, what do you want me to ask him?
What inspired him to write Binte Dil?
So that's one of the questions. So I think we are both on the same page, because probably you have interest in literature as well and poetry. So on top of it sounds like a beautiful, gargle of few words, but then there is an aspect of language. There's an aspect of characterization, which character this fits in, what is their grammar, where do they come from, what is the situation. And then on top of that the beauty of the poetry and the जो उसका बेबाकपन है उसमें कुछ छुपी नहीं है चीज़ें, तो मैं समझना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने क्या सोच के वो लिखा है। एक मुहावरों के पीछे वो उस गाने में वो नहीं छुपे, तो आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई वांट टू नो दैट टू, सो आई थिंक वंस आई आस्क हिम ही आंसर्स दैट विल आंसर that question for both of us.
Thank you so much and good luck tonight. I'm here again with Dr. Mohsin Alvi, the mastermind behind this amazing event. So I have a question for you, Dr. Mohsin. What inspired you to create this event?
Well, first of all, thank you for saying it's a wonderful creation because, we live here in Boston area and we have a lot of events going on, but something which is a mix of dancing and music and interviewing the poet who has written those songs, I think is very important for people to know because the writers have to get due respect for their art and their craft. And that's why when Turaz Bhai was saying that he's coming to visit Boston, to visit me actually, I said, well, when you're coming, you have to have a program where we can put it all together for you. And because he has done amazing work, in writing those wonderful songs, and I'm his fan. So I wanted to create this. Thank you.
Thank you. What do you want the audience to take away from this event?
Yes, so the audience has to appreciate the amount of work which goes into this kind of events, because we seldomly get people who are writers of songs, lyricists. So I think when a song is written, then it's composed, and then the choreography and dance movements are done. So it takes a lot to make a very wonderful, beautiful song, which you see on the television and the movies. So I think the audience should appreciate the nuances which go into making that song.
So I will ask you what I have asked a few other, interviewees. Do you have a favorite song of Mr. Turaz?
Yes, I do. I mean, many of his songs are my favorite. So definitely there is one which I am going to probably recite on the stage if I get an opportunity. Ek Dil Hai Ek Jaan Hai. That's my favorite song.
That's mine too, actually. What are you most excited about today's performance, especially the dance performances?
So I would like to see how we recreate the magic which happens in Mumbai, Bollywood. How Sanjay Leela Bhansali Saab, he composes all these songs. How he creates the music, compose the music and choreography, and take the camera and sees everything, which he brings it to us. It's a very difficult task, and he does it great. So yeah.
Thank you so much, and thank you for organizing this event, and good luck tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's Shala with the Dr. Shams Iqbal. And Dr. Shams Iqbal, welcome to our event.
Thank you.
आपने हमारे इवेंट के बारे में कहाँ सुना और इसके बारे में आपका क्या vision है and vision है?
So Mohsin Bhai is a close friend, and we are in a lot of common groups, and we have a lot of common interests also. Like जैसे ये वो भी गाना गाते हैं, मैं भी थोड़ा मोड़ा गा लेता हूँ. तो इनको जब ये ख्याल आया कि तुराज साहब आ रहे हैं, so he called me and he said like, what do you think? And I totally supported him, saying that this should be done because it's a very good opportunity for the art and culture to like profere here. तो इसलिए मतलब मैं इस तरह से सुना, और मेरी थॉट ये है कि जब भी कोई बड़ा इंसान आर्ट और कल्चर का आता है तो हमें उनको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. नॉट ओनली आर्ट एंड कल्चर, लाइक स्पोर्ट्स और या और चीज़ों के भी, जब भी इंडिया से लोग आते हैं, वी शुड सपोर्ट देम, वी शुड हैव देम, क्योंकि ये चीज़ हमारे नई जनरेशन को एक्साइट करती है. जैसे मेरी बच्चियाँ हैं, दे आर इनटू सिंगिंग, दे सिंग मोस्टली लाइक इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स एंड स्टफ, बट दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन सिंगिंग उर्दू सॉन्ग्स. तो ये सब चीज़ें जब वो इंटरेक्ट करेंगी, देखेंगी द क्वालिटी, द केडेंस, द वे थिंग्स आर डन, जैसे चीज़ों को किया जाता है, और तुराज साहब जैसे लेवल का बंदा अगर करे तो उससे लोग को इम्प्रेशन मिलता है और एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आई थिंक दिस इज़ गोना बेनिफिट द न्यू जनरेशन एंड दिस प्लेस.
थैंक यू. आपको कुछ आइडिया है कि किस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस, किस तरह का इवेंट होने वाला है?
आई वुड से लाइक लिटरेरी के हिसाब से तो बहुत हाई लेवल का होने वाला है, क्योंकि तुराज साहब ने काफ़ी बड़े बड़े काम किए हैं, तो वो अगर हल्का सा भी वज़न डाल दें तो चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी हो जाएंगी. दूसरा उसके साथ साथ हमारे यहाँ डॉक्टर सुंदरम भी हैं, शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड सिंगर. दूसरा जो डांस ग्रुप है, आई हैव सीन देयर परफॉर्मेंस, दे आर रियली गुड. तो थिंग्स विल बी रियली गुड. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
Are you excited about it?
आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. या इट विल बी फन.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर नजमा भट्ट. आपने इस इवेंट के बारे में कहाँ सुना है?
मुझे इसका ईमेल आया था मोहसिन का, तो उससे मुझे पता चला. फिर इसने बहुत सारा इनके बारे में बताया कि मुझे इसके बारे में पहले कोई पता नहीं था और मैं ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड नहीं रहती ये सब चीज़ें पढ़ने के लिए. लेकिन जब तुराज साहब के बारे में बताया तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट पैदा हुआ और फिर मैं यहाँ आ गई.
तो आपको कुछ अंदाज़ा है कि किस तरह का इवेंट होने वाला है?
भाई मैं तो ये सोच के आई हूँ कि ये बहुत अच्छा इवेंट होगा और जिस तरह की ये पोइट्री करते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा ही होगा.
तो व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग टू टेक अवे फ्रॉम दिस इवेंट?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक happiness in my mind, what I'm thinking, because I love poetry. And then if next year it will happen, inshallah I will come.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. I am here with the mastermind, with the person who creates magic, without whom this evening would not have been possible, Mr. Siraj Khan. Welcome, Mr. Siraj Khan. Tell us about yourself.
Well, I've been here in Boston for about 30 years. I come from the global non-profit space, and music is my passion. So my profession and passion kind of goes hand in hand. And just call it my oxygen or whatever. This is what it is.
What inspires you to do what you do?
Well, I've been a music lover, lover of performing arts all along my life, from my childhood days, and I really think that all this madness you see in this world, there's only one thing: arts, which can bring us together. Not politics, no trade pacts, nothing. It's this which keeps us together.
What do you want the audience to take away from this event tonight?
There will be a lot of better music programs, lot of literary programs, but a blend of music, dancing, and lyrics with the poetry together. I've been doing this for many years, but this is, in that way, it's unique. And we have Mr. Turaz here. Turaz Sahab is here all the way from Mumbai, and he's a big name. So we are very honored actually to have him in our presence today.
So you have been doing these events for a very long time. Do you have any favorite ones or not so favorite moments?
Well, it's very difficult to have this. The answer could be long, but I have done a lot of musical shows for the legendary music director O.P. Nayyar, not only in Mumbai. In Mumbai, yes, but in Boston, in Washington D.C., in New York, in New Jersey, in Dubai. So so that has been, I've been doing that, and ever since he passed away 2007, I managed the O.P. Nayyar Memorial Trust from here, so I've been doing that for 18 years now, by the grace of Almighty. And I think it'll probably go on until I'm alive.
Thank you, and thank you for, making magic happen.
I don't know. I hope it's magic. We're about to start. We're already late. But thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.